Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to cover how to track WP form from our WordPress website to our GA4 via GTM. We're going to follow these 6 steps to do that. First, we're going to identify the form. What is our form made with? If it's made with WP, then we're going to follow these steps. Okay. Our second steps will be listener code selection. We have to select a listener code for a WP form. If the form is not made with WP, then we have to go for other listener codes. Okay. Our third step will be adding listener code with custom HTML tag. In this section, we're going to add that listener code to our website with a custom HTML tag through GTM. Okay. Our fourth step will be identification form submission event. We will identify our event of the form submission. Okay. After that identification, we will go for the step 5. That will be in the fifth step. We will create custom tag in the sixth one, where we will be testing our tracking if it's perfectly working or not. So let's start our today's session. Firstly, let me introduce the website. This is the website we are working on, and this is the GTM account what we will use to track the form submission to the GA4. This GA4 account. Okay, so let me show you. We were going to the first step, and that was form identification. Okay, first we need to identify the forms what we will be working on. So this is our WP form. In my case, I have wrote down that this is a WP form in the submit button. For your case, you probably wouldn't see that thing. So what you are gonna do now, you will simply click on the right button of your mouse and select inspect. This happens when you click on inspect, and you need to see here what kind of form is yours. Here you can see these WP forms here, WP forms. Okay, so that means this is the form where is this, it's a WP form. After the identification, we're going to close this. Okay, now we have to use a listener code. This listener code is only going to work with WP forms. You can't use this to track the other forms. So now what we have to do is adding listener code with custom HTML tag. Okay, so let's go for it. We're going to create a new tag. We're going to click on new tag here, and then I'm click on here. We're going to add a custom HTML where we're going to paste the code, this listener code, and now paste it. I have pasted and give it a name. Now we have to triggering this all the pages. Okay, here you can do both. You can select all the pages, or you can select that particular. So we can do all the pages here. I'm doing that. Okay, triggering is done. Now save it. So as we save it, now we have to submit this. If you won't submit this, we're not going to work this real life. You just can see it in the debugging view, but it won't work really. Okay, so now we have to preview what we just have done. Okay, so let's see. Okay, click on connect, and then it will open here. Okay, continue. I'm clicking on here. Okay, so our form is in contact now page. So I'm clicking on here, contact now. Okay, so this is the WP form. Okay, you have to keep your eyes on here frequently. Okay, where if I click on here, give it a name, give it a subject, give it a mail, and send the message. I say hello. I see double L, hello, and then send it. Sending. Okay, sending is done. Look what it says. Thanks for contacting us. We will be in touch with you shortly. Okay, so if we got anything that is this event, WP form submit, we're going to trigger this event. So just copy the events. We're going to use it as a custom event, what we just said. Okay, so there was the part of identification from event identification from submit event. Okay, so now all we need to do is making a custom event tag for the form tracking. Okay, so go to the GTM and create a new tag. Here we're going to do Google Analytics event. Here I have to give the measurement ID. Now what is the measurement ID? The measurement ID is the ID of the GA4 account where we want to send our informations. So I have already created the measurement ID as a constant variable, but for you you can just click this here and paste it here and we're done. But as I have already created custom variable, so I'm going to take this will share the information in this GTM. Let's give it a name. So triggering as a custom event, clicking on plus here, and that's the name of that event. So give it a name. I'm going to save this. Okay, so once we're done, I'm going to click on submit and publish, then skip or continue anywhere. If our information is perfectly coming to the Google Analytics or not, to do that, we're going to go to the debug mode. So we're going to click on admin from here. We're going to click debug view. It will get us to the debug mode. Now we're getting that. Click on the preview here. Now we can see if our tag sending the information properly or not. So this is the form. Give it a name, subject, email, and now we're going to send this. I'm sending this. This was our tag that is fired. It says tag fired, and here we will get the WPForm submission event. Look, we got it. Okay, we are done. Now we just tested the tracking and we are done with our today's session. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.